Hey,
Oh,
that
damn bug.
damn bug.
That damn.
And that damn
You
Daniel.
can see it slowly go up and down.
That's crazy.
So that brightest spot is a devil finger, huh?
Well,
Okay.
it's hot, but as soon as you start seeing it go up, find out if there's a little vortex in there, like a little
There's
tornado.
like a red
You'll see
dot
it.
way over there. Just
Ah,
Yeah.
son of a
Chilling.
frickin' You're an H chilling. Wow.
That's cool though.
Is that private property in there?
Part of it is, but it's more of that park. There's a park, but over there. I don't know how far the private property is. I think it's along that ridge, but up there is
Oh, I just
the
mean
park.
this road here. Is that
Oh.
someone's driveway? Or?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn bugs, jeez. Wow. Oh, frick. Hold on. Come on, let's
Can you
focus.
get it really close?
this looks like
Oh,
the
this is
end
the
of
only.
world.
Hold on, can this please focus?
Oh no, you can't get it too close.
No, it's like. Goddamn. Envy, you know more about. How do you make it focus a bit more?
You're tapping it, right?
Yeah.
That's all I know how to do.
Look at that orange one. Look at that bright.
Yeah,
top
I
one
can't-
is-
Yeah, that one's just way up there. Holy crap.
Yeah.
I can't even tell where the mountain begins anymore. It's crazy.
Yeah, I can't seem to get it focused.
Dude, we could smell that from here. That's bad.